Hey everyone out there, my name is Dean. Look, I've been really getting into Forex trades a lot lately, and I found something that was really interesting called the Fibo Machine Pro. The Fibo Machine Pro system, it's a mouthful, I get it, I'll explain why it's called that in a moment. But it is basically a way where you can learn how to enter and exit, trades to get maximum profit, and it does it by using the Fibonacci sequence. Now that might sound absolutely insane, which is why I checked it out. I was just rolling my eyes just even at the thought, but I gotta tell you, I'm not rolling my eyes anymore. I actually made some serious money with this, and that's why I'm doing this review, because I want you to be considering this as a potential way to make serious money for yourself too, if you know anything about Forex. Now, granted, you do kind of have to know about Forex. It's not going to be as easy as they're saying. Everybody says you can use software like this, and you don't have.
Hello everybody. Today I have a very special review for you. First of all, just let me say that this is such a lucrative product. It has just helped me tremendously so far. I made the right decision. The best part is you can reference and ask questions at any time to use this. Order today with confidence, and if you put this information to the test for 60 days and you don't see results, and if you feel that this product does not help you, you will receive 100% of your money back. So that basically means that there's nothing to lose. Before I went to this all purchasing process, I searched to find a discount, and I found a huge discount. Would like to get the same discount as a tendon in some money? Just go visit this link below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.